So we are going to be looking at the 15-litre backpack pump. If you had a look at our water-fed pole video, you will recognize this. This is a 20 meters of hose that comes with a water-fed pole. So for the purpose of this demonstration, we just show you how these connect to the backpack pump by quick connect, and that disconnects. So that's how you separate the pole from the backpack, and also the hose can be disconnected from the pole as well. So basically, just to show you, well, you can take a look at some of the product pictures, but basically the idea is that you would fill it up. The charger is, the charging port's over there. The battery indicator, it sits when it's charged, it'll sit and it's running correctly, it'll sit at normal. And you flick it on and you'll see the little gauge shows normal, and then if you listen carefully, if I turn the pump on, that's 100%. We normally run it at about 60, and that'll last you 5 to 6 hours. And you can then, when you store it or when you're charging it, you turn it off, and you also turn this to 0. Charge it overnight. It's important to charge it overnight after use to preserve the battery. The battery is a gel battery, 7.5 amp hour, 12 volt. And that's the 15-litre backpack sprayer.